experience was the first time I lectured there on the immune diseases. Here in SRG Arts, we embark on specialized courses like this course so that we may be able to better tailor fit our teaching to our students. It prepares them better for the board exam questions, and I guess nung first time kong lecture yung subject na yon, we were all in discovery, in the verge of discovery, especially my students. Nag-lecture ako ng kakaibang sakit, yung mga sakit na first time nilang na-encounter, or yung mga sakit na, or mga medical surgical conditions na first time nilang maintindihan. Hanggang ngayon, kilala ako bilang SIAT lagi kong kapag mainit na yung klase kasi lagi silang ganyan. Lagi ako nananaway na SIAT And hanggang ngayon, ang tawag sila sa akin ng students kasi from my name, Alvin Ryan Sayat, ang ginawa nilang SIAT I think the three things that make me unique as a lecturer are these three things. First, I am goal-driven. I always encourage my students to push through their limits. Although mahirap of course, mag-prepare for the board exam, I always drive them na overcome these obstacles. Secondly, I'm disciplined. I'm professional. I come to work on time. I come with correct attire. I relate to my co-colleagues and to my students good. And the most important of all, I think, would be the value of humility. As a teacher, I always admit to myself that I'm not the best, and marami pa rin ako matututunan sa mga estudyante ko. Bakit ako yung teacher nila? My edge or X factors would include, of course, I'm a product of a good school. I'm also currently schooling, and I think yung possession ko na wala sa iba are good clinical experiences. I work as a charge nurse in a JCA hospital, and nahawakan ko yung administrative position so I can share these things to my students. Students should enroll here in SRG Arts because SRG and Arts are the two most powerful and biggest review centers in the country today. We embark on quality. We have the best lecturers who come from the best universities of the land. We have a very good and tailor-fit program for the board exam. We specifically designed a revolutionary program based on CMO 14. And other review centers don't do this. Only SRG and Arts can do these innovations.